Welcome to Lodha Belmondo. So this is the main entrance and greeting you is Lord Ganesha. So I'm gonna start by showing you the entire golf course here. It's really beautiful and really spectacular to see, and it's really huge for the people staying here and the people who are members. It's really amazing. So here's a short clip, a fast version clip of the entire golf course.
Still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile when don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Slow
Fun fact, when the world's most legendary golfer and the most awarded golf course designer creates a golf course, you can expect it to be near perfect. Lodha Belmondo is a meticulously designed 45 acres riverside 9-hole golf course with a turf imported from the US, righteously to meet global standards. It incorporates a short game area including putting a green and a pitching green. The golf course strategic design offers a wide range of challenges, approaches, playability for the ambitious as well as the experienced pro.
some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down.
Now, I welcome you to the Jetty area. As you can see, it is closed because of COVID, but otherwise this is a place where people can come and they can relax and they can spend time with their friends or family. It's a like a escape route for the daily, your daily routine. It's a good place. But it's closed right now. Otherwise, I would have definitely taken you guys on a ride.
Please slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
One thing Lodha Belmondo boasts a lot about is their organic farming, assuring you of farm fresh organic fruits and vegetables and of course robust health and well-being. So this is a kids play area And this is the main hallway. As you can see, it's written welcome winter. Even though it's winter, the swimming pool isn't exactly functioning right now. It's still under, well, construction. These are the pool rules and regulations, and yep, that's pretty much it over here. Now let's head towards the sports area. This is the sports area. We have table tennis over here. Then there are many more, such as we can play chess. You have table football as well. And well, you have chess, you have table football, you have Jenga, you have, well, many more games actually. You actually need to be here to experience it. So we are going to be heading towards the spa area, and honestly speaking, it's one of the best spa I have ever seen out here, and they have a pretty variety of price range and packages over here, and it's amazing. I mean, let me take you to the spa.
Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a scotch bonnet. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I.
Hey guys, I really hope you liked this video, and if you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos similar to this. Have fun. Bye.